Hi, myself Suganya, Assistant Professor in Department of Business Administration in Dr.G Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about Arima model. What is mean by Arima model? The Arima model is a nothing but auto-regressive integrated and moving average model. So it going to analyze the data into the different categories. So it may be of regressive and integrated moving average model. So this is the expansion of Arima model. So the Arima model is going to analyze the statistical analysis model, which is used by the time series analysis data to either to be a better understand of the data to predict the future data analysis. So it going to analyze the future trends based on their time series analysis and also the statistical analysis model also. So it going to predicts future values based on their past values. So it is a one kind of predictive model. So automatically it going to predict the future data based on their past and present data. For example, the Arima model may predict the future stock market price based on their past performance of the particular company based on their particular period of a time. So because since it is also following the time series type of the data, so it going to analyze based on the particular period of a time. So how we are going to understand the Arima model is nothing but, so the Arima model is categorized into three different segmentations. First one will be the AR, so that is nothing but auto-regressive. So what the auto-regressive model type will do is, it going to create or build a model which enhance all the changing variable that can be regressive on its own period of particular period or a particular value of the given data. So integrated is nothing but it represents it going to represent the difference in of what the raw observations of the data which going to analyze for the time series data, and it may be of data values may be placed differently between the different time period. It may be of in past the data may be of 22.5, in the present it may be of 22.50. So the analysis may be, the collecting analysis may be differentiate based on their past and the present data. So it is done by using the integrator, that is the I. So next one will be the moving average, that is MA is nothing but it going to incorporating the dependencies between the an observation and the residual time from moving average into the applied observation. So it going to find the bridge, it acts as a bridge between the observation and the residual error from the observed data. So these three are the parameters. So first one will be the auto-regressive, integrated and the moving averages. So it may be specified by some of the characters, that is the P is nothing but the number of observation to be done in the model. So D is nothing but number of time the observations are different and it may be of the same. So next one will be the Q is nothing but it going to analyze how many number of size of moving average window is done. So this is may also called as an order of a moving average. So there are three parameters, that the one is the P and D and Q. So while using the Arima model, it has some pros and cons. The main pros is nothing but it is good for predicting the futures because it use only the historical data, and the models does not follow any non-statistical data because it uses only the historical data. So the disadvantages, so what the disadvantages will do is, it cannot build any new long-term forecasting data, and it is poor in predicting the turning points data, and it also if it is mainly concentrated only on the parametric. So this model have some of the pros and cons. So in this video we have discussed about what is Arima model and what are the pros and cons of the Arima model.